All right. In this video, I will show how to do midterm presentation for Tian Tian and Eagle. Actually, this one is quite easy though. All right. It is the assignment practice from chapter 4, styles. The first paragraph, as you can see, this first paragraph is just an explanation how they get this job and you are assigned to do this job, okay? So you need to create corporate house style from given house style specification sheet. So that is the specification sheet as you can see in the table. Yeah, that is the table. All right, and second paragraph is just explain a company want you guys to use Word process document, which is Microsoft Word document. And they give a file to you and they want to use the same format for all the document that they are going to use. That's why you need to help them. So that is the specification, table 4.1, house style specification sheet. So you just need to follow this. And here is the start of the instruction. It starts with number C. It said create a word process document and save it with the file name evidence underscore followed by your name. So all you need to do is create a new Word document. So type Word in the search bar, click blank document. And what are you going to do is you are going to save this file. I'm going to split the screen so that it will be more easier for doing this. There we go. Now it's better. I just need to save this file. Okay, let me click File, Save As, Browse. All right, when you are doing midterm presentation, there will be a folder on the desktop. So you need to go to desktop and choose digital education folder. Okay. Save inside this. The name of the file is evidence underscore your name. All right, I spelled the name Eagle wrong. It should be E-A-G-L-E, Eagle. My goodness. Okay, let me save it again and make it correct. There we go. Okay, now I have two files, but it's okay. So this is the first thing that you need to do, create a Word file with the name evidence underscore follow your name. In your presentation, there will be only one student who is creating this file. So it can be either Tian Tian or either Eagle. It doesn't matter who name is on that, okay? And second instruction is said use a suitable software package, open the file text1.doc. So it is chapter 4 source file that which will be on the desktop of the computer on the presentation day. And it asks you to open text1.doc. So there is only text1 here, which is this file. Just open that file. There we go. Now we have this file. I will split the screen again. All right. It is the second step, open text1 file. The third step is that add your name to the subtitle after the text added by. So this is the text added by. You just need to type your name here. Suppose my name is Jane Doe. Okay, so I just add like this, added by Jane Doe. The fourth instruction is said create a style in the file according to the house specification sheet shown in table 4.1. So this is the table 4.1. You just need to follow this. See title is mean the content title, which is this one. It is the title. You need to make it 28 points font. So change, oops, 228, change into 28. Okay, now it's bigger. That is the font size 28. And the font is serif only. So you just type there SERIF. Here we go. Type and press enter. If they ask question, just answer yes. Okay. After you type this font, it will ask, your font cannot be found. It will use another font to display. You just answer yes. Don't click no, otherwise you will not have this serif font. And it asks you to do center align. It's already in the center, aligned it. So you don't need to do anything. And the next one is italic. You just need to make this C title into italic, which is press this letter I italic icon. There we go. Finished. Another one is C subtitle. This is the subtitle. Suppose it's supposed to be a subtitle. And the same form, we are going to use serif. Here we go. And 18 points instead of 12, 18. And right align. It is already right aligned. As you can see here. Oh, sorry, it is align left, right? So you need to align right. Okay, so it should look like this. And the next one, see SAP head. What is SAP head? How do you find? All right, they are actually for SAP head, which is part-time job sharing, flexible working, compressed hour. So these are the SAP head. Okay. We are going to select all 4 of these SAP head together. Wait, how do you select like that? I cannot select. Here is the answer. When you select the first SAP head, press Ctrl on your keyboard, do not release, and then select second SAP head. When you scroll, release your control on your keyboard. Okay, and then press Ctrl again, select again, select again. It is how you select all the SAP heads. Okay. And then you need to change the font into sans serif. So you just need to type in the font sans serif. You will find one font which is sans serif collection. Just choose that. We don't have sans serif exactly, so press enter. There we go. It becomes sans serif. And the font point should be 14. Instead of 11, type 14, press enter. Font 14. And the next instruction is at bold. So just press this little B icon, it becomes bold. And underline. So this U icon is underline. And it's a center aligned. So you just need to choose the center align, or you can press Ctrl E shortcut on your keyboard if you're good at it. All right, so this is the SAP heads that we already modified. Okay. And the next one is C body, which means the body of the contents. The thing that you're seeing, these are called contents. This is the head, SAP head, subtitle, SAP head, and these are the body. So do the same. Select the first paragraph, press Ctrl, select second paragraph, release while you scroll, and then select that paragraph, select the full paragraph, and the last one, select the fifth paragraph. There are total 5 paragraphs in this document. All right, the next step is it asks you to change the font into serif again, S-E-R-I-F. Press enter. There we go. It becomes serif. And the points of the font is 12. Change into 12. Press enter. And it said fully justify. Justify. Which one is justify? It is left aligned, center, right aligned, and The last one, it is justify. Press that. Okay, now it is fully justified. And it said line spacing, space after 0 point. So you need to change this. That is the tricky part. How do you change this one? It is on this menu. See the two arrow up and down. You will, if you move your mouse over that, it will show line and paragraph spacing. So just click the arrow beside, okay, and then you need to choose line spacing option. You are not going to choose from here 1, 2, 3. We don't choose that. You're going to choose line spacing option, and then you will see alignment justified, outline level, body text. See what we have done so far is correct. And this one is indentation. We are not going to do anything to that, just leave it like that. But we are going to change the spacing. You said before 0, after 8 point. We don't want that. We want to reduce it into 0. See, 0. Now it's become 0. And line spacing. It says single line spacing. And here is multiple. So click the arrow, select single. There we go. And then all you need to do is press OK. Here is how it's done. See, beautiful, easy, right? All right, we just finished the instruction number F. And actually, that is the end of this, how should I say, assignment. Because instruction number G, H, and I, it just asks you to save. Make sure it is accurate according to the what is this thing? Specification sheet table. That's all. So let's read instruction number G. It said apply the style created to the following section of the document. See title, check, already apply. See subtitle, check, applied it already. See body, we just applied it. All right. Oh, okay. Here is the tricky part. It says see body to the body text except the last part time to compress hour. Except the least. Oh, not the last. My goodness, my eyes. It said the least part time to. So this part you should not be applied. Okay. So how do we go back? Just Control Z 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5. Okay, so only 4 times. And then instead of selecting all of the body content, you are going to select except the least. If you watch the full video, you will not make the same mistake as mine. Okay. Okay, so you don't select this, but you are going to change the font again, serif. And then the font point is 12. Full justify, line spacing, 0, single line. All right, check, okay. This is how it should look like, and the list, it should look like the original. You don't do any changes to the list. Okay, so instruction number G is also finished. Number H is that identify all subheading in the document and apply the C subhead style. So these are the subheads that we found and we already applied according to the instruction given in the specification sheet, right? Now, all you need to do is save the documents as a Word processed it document with the file name style number 1. So you just need to save the file, click File, Save As. Okay, this one is digital execution already. So the name of the file is style1. And the type is Word document, so you don't need to change anything. Click Save. This message box is said it will upgrade into the new file format because the file that I gave you guys, it is an old version of the Microsoft Word document, and we are using 2019 already. So you just need to click OK. It is better to upgrade. There we go. This is how easy it is. I hope you can do just fine, or you can do better in your exam. All right, good luck and Happy New Year, by the way.